In this lecture, I will show you how to enable Quick View. Hello people, if I hover about this product, nothing happens, but we want a quick preview of the jacket. You can add it to your car, but we can't get a quick preview. So I go to my dashboard, we gotta do something about that, and I'm gonna click on apps, and I'm gonna click on visit apps, Shopify App Store, and I will wait. And right over here, I will search for Product Quick View. Product Quick View, yes. You have a bunch of paid programs, but we don't need that, all those programs, because we want a free plan. And this is totally free. Quick View and tracking, sorry. And I'm gonna give you a little overview. This is totally free. So when you click on a product, you see the product. So I'm gonna click on add app. If you don't know what I mean, don't worry, I'm gonna show it to you soon. Okay. And I will click on install app. And I will wait, and it's downloading. Okay. I'll wait till it's done, and I go to my app manager, and right over here you can see how many people clicked on your item, and the most viewed products, the most added to cart products. So this plugin is totally free for your whole life, so it's a lifetime access and it's free. So that's great. So here you can view it. So I'm going to show you what I mean. If you didn't know what I mean, I'm going to refresh the page and we will wait. And right over here you can click now on Quick View. Right over here. When I click on Quick View, you will see the product and the price and the description, but I don't have a description, so that's great. So that is what we want. So I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next lecture.